Hello everyone and welcome to another Lit Reviews with your boy Brandon, aka The Bruzzinator. Check me out on TikTok. I go by The Bruzzinator on TikTok. So if you get a chance, check that out. Today though, without further ado, I am about to review probably the most disgusting smart tech I could find on Amazon, on my Amazon shopping spree. It is BeBird's earwax removal. And yes, I will have the footage of the inside of my ear at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around to the end. But without further ado, let's get lit. So, what I have for you right now is the BeBird earwax removal kit. Check out the slow-mo on it. So I've used it once, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it is probably one of the weirdest but coolest things I have ever reviewed, played with, enjoyed a little bit, just a little bit. Let me grab it real quick. So this, as you saw in the slow-mo, this little bad boy right here, what it does, it has a tip on the end where you can scoop out the earwax in your ear. On behind, let me take this off. Inside here is a camera, and it has a light. Let me see if it'll turn on and hit the button. Probably not. Oh, there it is. Boom, with the little light. Let me turn it off. Turn off. Well, it'll turn off in a minute, I guess. It is it is weird. I'm not gonna lie. First, let me do a disclaimer on this. Don't buy this if you were going to just play around with it. Be serious with this, because you can damage your eardrum with this. You can mess up your hearing for the rest of your life if you're not careful. So let me put that out there before I really start getting into this. Let me let you guys know, this is not a toy to just dig around and have fun in your ear, because you could damage something, and then you'll be like, what happened, Lit Reviews? Why'd you let me damage my ear? I put the disclaimer, the warning, be careful, be gentle with this device, because it is messing with serious work in your body. But it has a little scoop at the end. They have a little camera with the light like I showed you. And basically what you're going to do is, it has an app on your smartphone. So it basically takes that camera image after you sync it to your app. It takes that camera image that's coming from here and displays it on your smartphone. So that way you can see what it sees. And at first it's awkward because you're trying to jiggle it around to figure out how to look deep in your ear. And then you start to see all the earwax. You think, man, I've cleaned my ear all the time. There shouldn't be anything in there. And then lo and behold, you get in there and you're up in this thing, right? You're in it to win it. But you get up in it and you start seeing all this wax in there. And you're like, what is all this? And you're freaking out. Don't freak out, because what's going to happen is you're going to go and scoop some out. And then you're gonna look at it, because I did the same thing. You're gonna look at it, it's gonna be like a little speck of earwax sitting on there. Then you're like, oh, it looked a lot bigger from the camera. So don't be fooled if you do buy it. Don't be fooled. I'll have the link in the description too, so if you want to buy it, you can. But it was definitely a weird experience to have something digging around your ear other than like an ENT doctor or your primary care doctor. But it was kind of cool to see like maybe what they're seeing when they look inside your ear. So that was a cool aspect. Did it do the job? Yeah, it helps me clean out the earwax. I'll probably continue to use it in the future. Maybe not as often because like I said, I'm not a trained professional, so I don't want to jack something up in my ear. But I will do it again for you guys so you guys can actually see what it looks like on the inside. And before I even show you the footage, don't even for a second start judging my ear, okay? Let's just get that out the way. You keep your judgments to yourself because I'm doing this for y'all. Because I don't have to show you this. Kind of embarrassed to, but I'm going to in order to show you a full review. So don't come for your boy when you see the earwax in his ears. I ain't perfect, okay? So let's put that out there right now. But it's cool. Like, it's got a cool design. It's got a little bird on a little button, and you know, it's a simplistic thing. You charge it right here on the back end. So you just plug that in so it can charge. It has battery to plug up the light in the camera. Other than that, I mean, there's not really much more to it. It looks like a maybe aluminum, maybe I wouldn't say a steel tip, but maybe like aluminum tip. So it's kind of solid. I mean, I could probably snap it off if I wanted to. The base is plastic, hard plastic. It's smooth. It's got little ridges on it. Might bring it up real close. It's got little ridges on it, so that way you can kind of see, you know, get a grip while you're in there, But other than that, nothing super crazy. So I know you guys have been waiting. You want to see what it looks like on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that on the next Lit Reviews. Oh, I'm just playing. No, I'm just playing. I'm gonna give you what you've been waiting for. You waited like 7 minutes for it, so it's the least I could do. But here you go. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the inside of my ear as I'm digging around, scooping out earwax. Check yourself. All right, guys, we're going in. Wait, that's on the left, okay. Yeah, see, we're in my ear. And then we scoop out. And it's just a little bit. Grab my paper towel here. Going back in. This is the left ear, by the way. But it looks like it's a lot, and it really isn't. It's really not that much. It's like a speck. What is... There we go. All right, here we go. Back in. You see? I could angle it better. But that's the inside of your ear, if you ever wanted to know. I think it is infected, though. It's red. That's probably why my ear has been so clogged. Not because of earwax, because of constant ear infections. So now we're going to switch sides. We're going to do the right side real quick. Switches angle. We're going in. Going in. See, the camera's pretty accurate. I'm letting you know there's not really much of a delay on it. But you know, we're in here cleaning little specks of earwax. So don't expect you to pull like this big, huge chunk of earwax out. Even though it may look big on the camera, it's actually not that big in size. Let me see if I can go really in there. that is the inside of your eardrum. That's the inside of your ear right there. Isn't that cool? Like, it's crazy to see all that. But that's it for your demo on the inside of my ear. All right, so as you saw, I just scooped out my ear for y'all. I hope you enjoyed. It was very embarrassing. But your boy keeps his ear pretty clean. Other than that, just a few things I can tell you about the app. What you didn't see on the video was in like the top right corner. It lets you know the battery percentage of your device. Also, you can switch in between left ear, right ear, so it gives you a different angle. Also, you can take images, you can take video. So if you do discover something, you can actually take that video and like show it to the ENT or something if you need to for medical purposes. Or if you're filming like me and you wanted to show people the inside, you could do that, recording video and stuff like that. I'm trying to think of anything else to really tell you other than it was weird going inside my ear for you guys, but I'm glad I did. I hope you enjoyed. And trying to think. I think that's about it for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this lit review. Like I said, I'm out here every Friday dropping new content. So make sure if you like the content that you like, share, comment. I think that's all you can do. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop it. Hit the follow button. That way you can follow your boy. And if you want to buy this product, the link will be in the description. Once again, I'll just letting you guys know. Other than that, there's not much else to say. But is this lit or I'm going to lean towards lit, but with a side of caution because you could jack up your hearing devices called your ears. So, but I'll give it some flames. I'll give it the lit. So other than that, you guys take care, be safe. Check you out next Friday for the next lit review. I think we're going to do the phone. I think it's going to happen next Friday. So you guys take care, be safe. Love you. Check me out on TikTok, The Bruzinator. It's your boy Brandon. Lit review out.